Today, Laddie, Final Tzadi makes the same sound as Tzadi. The T sound like cats at the end. Final Tzadi is only used at the end of words. It stretches down lower like a tree root growing into the ground. Grammar tip of the day. Special endings help show when a word is finished. When you see a letter like cats at the end of a word, it marks the end clearly. It doesn't change the sound, just the shape. Final letters often help Hebrew words feel finished when you read them aloud. Words that end in Z, it's usually derived from a root ending in time. Unknown for tree. Shift back to regular test when used in conjugations or compound forms. As time for trees. Hebrew words that end with it. Final Tzadi bet. Common, biblical, and prayer words. Retzes, Chafetz, desires, delights in Retzo, Ratzun, Chafetz, will desire tits, 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 blossom, flower, golden plate on the high priest's forehead, Ketz, Ketz, end, conclusion.